Hello everyone. As you can see, there is no glass in the 74. Windshield is out. Dominic was over today, and among other things that we accomplished, the windshield was the last task we have for today. We were kind of undecided of what we were going to do, but once we got started and got into things, took us about 45 minutes, and that was with stopping and deciding what our next move was, and we got the glass out in one piece. Anyway, I don't know if this is the original glass or not. There's a date code on it, but I'll have to look it up. But as you can see, there's quite a lot of substance here that obviously will be cleaned up. We already swept out a lot of dirt and debris, but the burr cage, the windshield frame, it looks in pretty decent shape. And we're going to continue on, probably taking off the molding and order new clips or evaluate the clips here and see what they're how they're doing as far as if there's any rust in them and so forth. But again, we had a really good day, and there's a lot of pictures and more descriptions there. All right, have a good night.